Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Tell her to make me a cambric shirt, deep forest green, parsley, sage, rosemary, and tracing a sparrow on snow-crested brow, without no seams nor needles.